lower third graphic can be one of the most useful tools for video editing that can be used in a variety of different ways. For example, lower third graphics are almost always used to introduce interview subjects, display news headlines, or give additional information to an audience. In Adobe Premiere, creating lower thirds and other graphics is based in Premiere's stock graphics, its text tool, and its legacy titles. In this video, we'll go over the basics of these concepts to help you easily create graphics in Premiere. First, let's go over the default graphics Premiere offers. On the right side of the screen, click to open the panel labeled Essential Graphics. Here we can browse Premiere's stock graphic templates. For our lower third, let's click and drag the basic lower third template to our timeline. Note that you can use these graphics in a variety of circumstances. They aren't only used for lower thirds. Double-click the text on your timeline to edit and add your desired text. You can do the same for the subheading. Now I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D to fade in and out of the clip. Here on the right in the Essential Graphics panel, you can edit the properties of your text, such as changing the font or color and adding a border. That's the simplest way to create a lower third and other graphics in Premiere. Now let's go over how to do this using the text tool. First, I'm going to tap the T key to switch to my text tool. Next, make sure you're at the right spot in your timeline. Now, click where you want to add your text on the program monitor. Once I've typed out my lower third, I can edit it the same way with the Essential Graphics panel. Lastly, let's go over adding a legacy title. Go to File, New, Legacy Title. Make sure your video settings match your project settings, name your title, and click OK. When this window opens, we can select the area where we want our text and type out our lower third. Now we have a ton of editing options here. We can change the font style, position, size, and so on, just like we could in the Essential Graphics panel. But we also have a set of tools that will apply only to our text, like a rotation tool, different variants of the type tool, a pen tool, and anchor point tools. Once we're done, we can close this window, and our legacy title will be in our project panel. That's the basics of creating lower thirds and graphics in Premiere. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the TSW YouTube channel for more.